Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gammadyne Mailer. First, you will need to download and install the software from the official website. Once installed, launch the application. The initial setup wizard will guide you through the very first steps, ensuring your system is ready. It is a straightforward process, taking only a few minutes to complete, preparing you for sending your first email campaign. Next, you will configure your SMTP server settings. This is crucial for sending emails reliably. Go to the Options menu, then SMTP Servers, and add your server details. You will need your server address, port number, and login information. Always perform a test connection to ensure everything is working perfectly before proceeding. This step guarantees your messages will reach their intended recipients. The Chase Sapphire Preferred has an annual fee of $95. However, this fee is often offset by valuable benefits. Each year, you receive a $50 statement credit for hotel stays booked through Chase Travel. Additionally, you get a 10% anniversary point bonus, calculated on your total purchases from the previous year. These benefits, combined with the strong earning rates, can easily provide value exceeding the annual cost. Finally, you are ready to create and send your campaigns. Use the intuitive HTML editor to design your emails or import a pre-made template. Remember to personalize your messages using recipient-specific data fields, which significantly boosts engagement. After crafting your perfect email, you can schedule it for immediate dispatch or set a future date and time for delivery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.